What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm also doing another food review video. I'm going to Young and Finch today, and since I've been kind of craving for fried chicken, so we decided to get the Korean fried chicken. In my opinion, Korean fried chicken is just better than the other fried chickens. Please don't hate me. But yeah, so I'll show you guys when I get there and give you guys a review of it. So we just arrived at the fries, so we're just gonna try their fried chicken. So they have like a Thursday special, so I'm gonna get that and maybe like get some Korean snacks in there. So we'll see what we end up getting and I'll show you guys the food. So I just got my order. We got the fried chicken and we also got the tteokbokki, which is a Korean spicy rice cake. Let me try to find that in the bag. Again, eating in the car, it's always a struggle. Oh, we got a drink too. So, put this here. So the Thursday special is pretty much just like 2 orders of fried chicken. I think it was like $20 or something like that, which is like pretty good deal. And then that would be the spicy rice cake. I'm just gonna open it up. Come on. Okay, let's put the bag down. Okay. Let me try to open this up and not spill in the car or make a mess. Because I'm clumsy and I tend to do that all the time. So, okay. So that's how the spicy rice cake looks like. It's actually chicken with rice cake, and it's like freaking good. I tried it once before and it was really good. So I'm just gonna take a bite of the fried chicken first, and then see from there. I'm just gonna put this on the side, and I think I'm just gonna use this as a plate. It's like super crispy on the outside. This is also why I say like Korean fried chicken is better. Like the texture, the crunch, everything is just better about it. And I love this location. This place is called The Fry. It's kind of like my go-to Korean like fried chicken or like snack place. Yeah. It's so good. Maybe because I'm also like really hungry. Cause it so actually we were supposed to call in and order the food, but we didn't know that until we got there. So literally took us like 40 or 45 minutes to get the food, and I was just like starving in the cold because it was like freaking cold outside too. So yeah, but now I finally got the food and I finally get to enjoy it, so it's all good. Let me just take a bite of the spicy rice cake too. So I'm not holding the chopsticks the proper way just because I'm not trying to get like the grease on the chopstick. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is literally the best spicy rice cake place ever. Let me try to get a bite of it with like the chicken and the rice cake. I swear, when you guys are in like Young and Finch area, like which is in North York, you guys should definitely stop by to Fry. So now I think I'm just gonna time lapse this thing so I can just like sit down, enjoy the food while you guys watch me eat. So guys, I actually tried finishing it. So I probably ate like 5 or 6 of it, and there's still like 7 or 8 of them. So like I didn't even finish half of it. Even like the spicy rice cake, there's still like some like left. Like the portion size of that place is actually like huge. It's like great value. So I tried my best to finish it, but I couldn't. So I'll probably save it for tomorrow or some other day. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Adios amigos. I'll see you guys on my next video.